Boom, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Oh, guys, I was trying to make some money this morning when I got cut out by a spike, but I know my strategy. I was on the $200 drawdown, but I'm very sure of the strategy, so I held trade. Right now it's going in my direction, guys. So it's a very powerful strategy. In fact, I'm going to open more positions now because I know this can never go wrong, guys. Can never go wrong. Trust me, guys. Can never go wrong. So, I'll show you guys how I make money off the boom and crash market. Show you guys how this works. It's very effective. Very effective, guys. As you can see, I'm already in profit in the new positions that I opened. I'm already in profit. So yeah, I'm gonna catch a lot of profits, guys. I'm gonna catch a lot of profits. I'll recover the other loss. Of course, it's coming up. Like I said, it was over $200 drawdown. But this strategy is one that's never that hardly fails. Yeah, let me not say never, because I mean the market is not mine, but the strategy hardly fails, guys. I'm going to show you how it works. But first, I want to thank every one of you who have made the channel what it is right now. I just started this channel not too long ago, and the sole purpose of starting this channel, pardon my voice, the very reason I started this channel is to see all of us win together, guys. To see all of us win together, guys. And I'm really impressed by the numbers, guys. We're really growing fast. I can see the interaction, I can see the engagement, the views. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm really sure that you guys are doing the most with these tutorials you guys are getting. I'm really sure you're making money, a lot of money from this, because this is the purpose. If I don't see you guys win, it doesn't make sense, guys. So I'm going to take my time. I'm already in profit, guys. I'm already in massive profit, except for the other one that that is still on drawdown, but then it's going to be a massive win for me, guys. This is it. You can see this strategy is powerful, guys. Trust me, it's powerful. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'll show you guys how it works, and trust me, it's really easy. Anybody can win with this strategy. Anybody, guys. The beginners, the advanced guys, anybody can win with this strategy, guys. You can see I'm already in $10 profit. I was like seeing the future. So guys, trust me, man, this is a win-win strategy, guys. So how does it work? Yeah, it's very simple. It's very simple, guys. We'll go back testing. So you see how this works, guys. So I have just three indicators rather, for this strategy, guys. So yeah, this is it. As soon as you see price come to the level here, this is for crash 1000. As soon as price comes to this level and then crosses this level, you buy to the upside, guys. You buy, guys. It's been working. It's an old strategy of mine that I've been using for a very long time, and it's still very effective, still very perfect. Look at it. Price crosses here, then you buy, catch a lot of candlesticks, couple of candlesticks, like 5-6 candlesticks, and you're out of the market, guys. Yeah. I can show you guys more. You know, I'm gonna have to take my profits, guys. I'm gonna have to take my profits. Yeah, so guys, I can show you guys more. Let me keep the profits rolling because I need more of that. I can show you guys more. You have to be patient, wait for the market to do what you want it to do, wait for it to meet your condition. Here we go again. Price came to this level, to the 20 and 10 level, and then crosses over this level, right? And then all the way up, guys. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. That's it, guys. So so we can keep going and going. We can keep going. You'll see more of this. You see how it works. You see this. It keeps happening, guys. This is another one. Works for boom 1000, also boom, works for crash, works for boom, works for crash, works for, you see, price crosses here and then all the way up, guys. So you don't want to be greedy. You don't want to be greedy, guys. Just take a couple of candlesticks and you're out. I'll show you guys the settings. But first, let's just keep seeing how effective this has been over time. This is another one, guys. This is it. Price came to the 20. Remember, this is for crash 1000. Yeah. Price comes to this level, crosses this level, and goes to the upside, where you must have taken a lot of profits. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it works perfectly fine for I'm going to show you guys how it works for boom. I'll show you how it works for boom. So guys, you don't want to be greedy. You don't want to waste too much of time. You don't also want to be impatient, guys. So you have to wait. Look at all of this. At this level, guys, you don't do anything. You just relax. Guys. Look at this. This is another one. Another one here, guys. It came to this level, the 20 and 10 level, and then crosses this level, and then boom, all the way to the upside, guys. You can catch a lot of profit, holding these candlesticks down, guys. Telling the candlesticks they can't go without blessing you. You know what I'm saying? So this is really powerful. This is a really powerful strategy. I'll show you how it works for see my profits, guys. See this? You see this? I'm gonna just take $100 and I'm out. Guys. So yep, this is how it works for boom 1000. This is how it works for boom 1000. So at this, for boom 1000, allow price come to this level. This is a perfect example, guys. Allow price come to the 80 and 90 level, and then you allow it cross here, and then you sell, guys. You sell to the downside, guys. You sell. It happens a whole lot of times. So I'm going to show you guys the indicators, the very powerful indicators. This is another perfect example. Guys. Price came to the 80, the 90 level, then crosses here. You can see this, and then you sell to the downside. Remember, you have to sell, boom, 1000, couple of candlesticks, right? So whoa, a whole lot of profits, guys. I don't want to be greedy, so I'll take my profit. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this give me a little profits before I go out of the market, guys. So it works same for boom. Oh, directly opposite for boom. You allow price come to this level, and then allow it cross this level, and then you sell to the downside. Trust me, guys, this has been really effective. If you are not following this channel, guys, please do well to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, tell me what you like about my strategies and which strategy you would like for me to show you guys next, guys. What's your question, guys? I'll drop my Telegram link. I'll drop my direct contact, so any one of you who has any challenge at all can contact me, and then I'll help you out, guys. The purpose of doing this is to help and see us grow, guys. So yep. Let me go back, take my profits, and leave this space, guys. Still taking time. I don't want to be greedy, but I just want this turn blue. I like to see blue. I like to see blue, guys. I like to see blue. I like to see blue, guys. So, yep, you can go back testing. Whoa, imagine you took this trade, guys. This is it. Price comes to this level, crosses here, and then boom, all the way down, guys. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to set these indicators up. Yep, because if you don't have the settings, whoa, I like to see blue, so I'm just gonna close out, guys. I'm gonna close out. Made a couple of bucks today, over $100. I can go on and on. I can make 500 if I want. But if you notice, I've been moving about, guys. I have where to be this morning. I just needed to show you guys this powerful strategy before I step out. So yep. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the settings. Yep. So like I said, we're gonna be needing just 3 indicators. Take your time, screenshot this, make sure you do that. On the main chart is the Ichimoku. Yeah, this is how I set it up, guys. This is it. So yeah, believe, please make sure you follow this properly, screenshot it, always ensure to fill this, and this, if you're using a white background, you should change these colors to white, and every other thing is okay. Right, screenshot it, make sure that you're doing the right thing. Once you're done with that, you just click done and you go over to the next one. In your indicator window, of course, I have my classic oscillator. This is how I set it up. See the levels. Always ensure that you follow this properly. Screenshot it. Follow this properly, guys. Follow this properly. Remember, if you are using a white background, you should change this to white. Yeah. You're done with that, enter the levels. Look at the levels. Look at the levels. Look at the levels. Screenshot it. Once you're done, you just go back and click done. And we're good. And then you add Ichimoku to the indicator window. Yeah, maintain the same settings as the one on your main chart. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. Screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it. Remember, you should always fill this up. And that's that, guys. That's that. We're good. So yep. Do well to follow. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that when I post another one, you will be the first to see. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.